Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your local citations using BrightLocal exports, beginner guide step by step clearly. To back up your local citations using BrightLocal exports, start by logging into your BrightLocal account. Once logged in, navigate to the citations section on your dashboard. Here, you will find a comprehensive list of your existing citations. Select the citations you want to back up. If you wish to back up all your citations, look for the option to select all. After choosing your citations, locate the export option, usually found at the top of the page. Click on the export button to initiate the process. You will be prompted to select an export format, such as CSV or Excel. Choose the format that best suits your needs. After selecting the format, click on the export button. The file will generate and start downloading to your device. Once the download is complete, locate the file on your computer. Open the file to ensure all selected citations are included in the export. If everything looks correct, save the file in a secure location. Consider creating a dedicated folder for your citation backups for easy access. Regularly back up your citations to stay organized and updated. This process ensures you always have a record of your local citations at hand. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.